You listed a couple of great references and case studies, which I think is vitally important when it comes to digitalization, because there's a lot of talk, there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of pilots, but you actually have some projects in Lisbon and elsewhere, the one project where you saw some benefits in reduction of non-revenue water. So tell me a bit about how that came about, the results and the benefits as well.
Yeah. It's an interesting project that was developed since 2004. At the time, the management team of EPAL, our biggest company that supplies water to the municipality of Lisbon, realized that they had 25% of water losses in the city council. So they decided to invest in a program that combines software, equipments, field operations, knowledge, and with the definition of these district monitoring areas, around 160 all over the city, starting to field operations day by day, night by night, especially during the night. It's when you found where are the leakages, and they start to developing a tool that reaches us from 25% to 9% nowadays, which means during these years the savings are more than 1 year of annual turnover of EPAL, so more than 160 million euros. It's too much money that was saved with an investment less than 10 million euros.
And this was from 2004, right, you mentioned. So
far from today.
Yeah, I mean, that's the beauty. People often think, digitalization is something that's happened recently, whereas utilities, as you just mentioned, have been doing this for some time, and now it's how you can further evolve that by using machine learning and big data and kind of squeezing those numbers a bit more. But finally, Claudio, you mentioned this phrase where you said too much data, not enough information, or we've also seen it phrased as data-rich, information-poor. So what do you mean by this?
I mean, there's a maximum. When you manage, you need to measure before you manage, because if you don't have data, if you don't have good information, you don't make good management decisions for sure. So, for example, we developed another tool, Henki, it's an engineering knowledge integration software, and we eliminate thousands of sheets of paper with that. So simple as that. And all our shareholders have in real time the same information that we have concerning discharges of treated wastewater, quality of water that we put on the tap, and it means that the information, the real information, circulates in real time and helps our operational teams and our management teams to make good decisions in the field, which is the most important thing to get good management solutions.
I think that's it, turning the data into actionable data to make better decisions and in the end ultimately save money on the operation costs. But Claudio, thank you very much for your time. Wish you continued luck with the rest of the progress in Portugal and overseas as well, and thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you.